A very good morning to all of you. Am I audible, students? Okay. So, students, where are the remaining students? I'm waiting for the whole class. You had one more lecture, na? What was the strength in that class? What was the strength? Okay, so now remaining students. Okay, so we should start with our class. No issues. So, students, have you attended my previous classes of ITC? Yes, students. Okay. So then you will understand the concepts. So we were discussing the basic introduction, the block diagram we have discussed, what is the concept of your channel encoding, source encoding, okay? What is the importance of your subject ITC? We have discussed that also. Okay. So now today we will discuss a very important property, and we have seen what is the role of probability in source coding, है ना? You all remember probability, ठीक है? Event of occurrence. We have seen information content due to that, ठीक है? So from common sense viewpoint of information, what we can say that the event having highest probability, and what is the highest probability? 1. Okay, that means event of occurrence is 100% sure. That means it is a certain event which will happen. Like I can say as an example, tomorrow is Tuesday. It will be having the highest probability 1. It is a certain event. Okay? Or I can say tomorrow the sun will rise in the east. Same example with probability high. And if I say in the newspaper, the headline is that tomorrow sun will rise in west. अगर मैं ऐसा लिख देती हूँ, ठीक है, in the newspaper headlines, these two headlines are there. Tomorrow is Tuesday. Tuesday की headline मैंने पढ़ी, कोई impact नहीं होगा. All know that tomorrow is Tuesday. ठीक है, and its occurrence is 100%. That this event is 100% sure. Okay, but the second event which I have written that tomorrow sun will rise in west, what will happen? All the users will read this information, clear, but its probability will be 0 or very low. Okay, its probability is very low. Okay, it is practically, is it possible that sun will rise in west? No. Okay, so the probability will be 0. It is an almost impossible event. If an event of low probability occurs, like the second event, okay, which is having very low probability, if the event with low probability happens, just wait, students. Okay, I thought someone is joining. So if the event of low probability occurs, like the second event, okay, it causes greater surprise. Yes or no? You will be surprised to know that sun will rise in west. How these headlines came in the newspaper? It causes greater surprise and hence conveys more information. So this second message will give you more information. All the audience will just read out this thing. Okay, it causes greater surprise and hence convey more information than the occurrence of an event of larger probability. Clear? Thus, the information is connected with the element of surprise, which is the result of uncertainty. See, this is the uncertain event. Yes or no, student? This is, the second event is uncertain. आज तक तो सन हमेशा ईस्ट में ही उगा है, कल कैसे वेस्ट में उग सकता है? दिस इज एन अनसर्टन इवेंट. ठीक है. Thus, the information is connected with the element of surprise, which is the result of uncertainty or unexpectedness. The more unexpectedness the event, the greater the surprise and hence the more information. But what will be the probability of occurrence of such type of event? Yes, student, it will be very low. The probability of occurrence of an event is a measure of its unexpectedness and hence it is related to the information content. You can write this definition. Okay, the probability of occurrence of an event is a measure of unexpectedness or uncertain event and hence is related to the information content. Thus, from the point of view of common sense, they can ask you what is the common sense measure of information that is related with a surprise. Okay. Thus, from the point of view of common sense, the amount of information received from a message is directly related to the uncertainty or inversely related to the probability of its occurrence. This we have discussed, student. Information is indirectly related with the probability. Okay? Information received from a message is directly related to the uncertainty or inversely related to the probability of its occurrence P. If P is the probability of occurrence, of a message and I is the information gained from the message, it is evident that I will be equals to, in logarithmic terms, you can write 1 upon P. Clear, students? So this we have discussed. This I have discussed in class also, in the college. All these concepts. Okay. Now I will define a very important parameter. Clear? Here we will study, see, source encoders is a device which will encode your message. Okay. It is designed to replace string of symbols by strings of binary digit. That is the source encoder. Yes, students. Source encoder, we all know at the transmitter side we will connect that. ठीक है. तो source encoder क्या करेगा? एनकोडिंग करेगा. जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन मैसेज होगा, it will replace it to the binary digits. Okay. And that depends on the probability P1, P2 till Pn. ठीक है. For messages M1, M2 till Mn. Clear? Each message will have individual probability. And now, how much information will be conveyed by that message? Will be given by information I1, I2 till In. Is it clear? So here I can define one more term which I had discussed, but I will just give you a few briefing. I'm just briefing all those points which I have discussed earlier. Okay. That is average information conveyed, which is very important, given by, if for 2 messages I am considering, then it is given by this. Okay, students, can you tell me what is the total probability P1 plus P2? Who can tell? Yes, students, waiting for the reply. 1. Very good. So, total probability will be 1. So, what you will get? I average is equal to I1 P1 plus I2 P2. And in general, average information conveyed for n number of messages. For n number of messages, I will get the equation as, I can put summation sign. Yes or no? Okay, Ritika, you are waiting. Just wait. I will give you permission. Okay, maximum students have joined the class now. So I can write average information conveyed, which is equal to summation, and summation sign will vary from I is equal to 1 to n. Okay, students, I is equal to 1 to n. Pi I upon, I can write one more time this value. ठीक है, और इसकी वैल्यू क्या होगी? This will be equal to 1. So I will get this average information equation equals to Pi I. And students, what is I? I क्या है? Log 2 1 upon Pi. All of you know this equation very well. ठीक है? So now I can write this equation as minus Pi summation I equals to 1 to n log 2 Pi. 1 upon Pi को मैंने minus Pi लिख दिया है. ठीक है? So average information per symbol is given by this equation, or you can write one more equation for this, that is log 2 Pi to the power Pi. ठीक है? Logarithmic, you can put the multiplication into your power. Okay, so this is my average information conveyed. Now, what we are considering here, always you have to remember that the source which we are using is a memoryless. Is a memoryless source. Okay, memoryless source which is having m number of messages varying from 1 to n with probability P1 to Pn, which I have already mentioned over here. ये पूरा मैंने बता रखा है तुमको. ठीक है? Which I have already mentioned over here. And average of all the probability will be always 1. So a memoryless source implies that each message emitted is independent of previous message. See your source. This is my source. ठीक है? Information source. Source encoder. Clear? Then again I can have some kind of transducer or modulator. Then I will use a channel. Okay? So m messages coming, converting, we are converting it over here. Clear? The messages which will have some probability. But what we are considering here is that this message information source is memoryless. That means it won't be storing any kind of messages. Okay? So it implies that each message is independent of previous message. I have transmitted M1, then I am transmitting M3. So when I am transmitting M3, it won't store the previous message M1. ठीक है? Clear? Of average information transmitted. So this we have calculated this formula. Average information. This I average. यहाँ पे भी मैंने I average का formula find किया है. I will use a highlighter. ठीक है? This average information transmitted of a symbol of source is called, इसको क्या कहते हैं students? Who can tell me this? What is it known as this equation? Average information. Yes, please reply in the chat box. क्या कहते हैं इस term को हम? Average information transmitted per symbol of a source is called. Yes, what is that new term we introduced? यस, अक्षत, प्रतिभा, कौन बता सकता है? अमीशा, प्रांजलि, निखिल, हु कैन टेल मी? Yes, students. What is that new term we introduced? Yes, very good. That new term is entropy. पहली बार सुना है? Nikhil, this is your first class?
No, ma'am.
नहीं, ITC की.
हाँ मैम, बीच में पहले 2 दिन नहीं ली थी मैम, अभी बीमार था मैम इसलिए.
Because we are having continuous record of your attendance, which is very important. If RTO asks, we will send this record. How many students are attending the classes, who are viewing the videos. वीडियो व्यू करते हो तो साइन इन करो एंड पुट सम थिंग सो दैट आई विल कम टू नो कि तुमने अटेंड किया है. ठीक है? सो दैट न्यू टर्म इज एंट्रोपी. Okay, that new term is entropy. So now I will define what is the entropy. I will write here entropy. ठीक है student? And which is defined by H of M. Clear? Any doubt? And unit of entropy is bits. You always remember unit of entropy is bits. Should I move ahead? You should prepare your notes also. So, one important point which I have discussed in the class also, information Mi greater than I of Mj. Any j information is less than the ith information only if probability is reversely proportional, inversely, okay, less than P of Mj. ठीक है? And we are talking that these messages are independent. So one more terminology you can write, that is because messages are independent to each other. ठीक है? These are independent. Then I have told and we have discussed about the entropy equation. So write down, students, entropy of source as a heading. Entropy of source, H of M. And now student, what is the equation of H of M? You all know? क्या होता है H of M की equation? It's very easy. Yes or no, students? And see, students, do you know how to calculate this log by using calculator? Because it's mathematical subject, you have to use calculator. So use your calculator whenever we are simplifying the numerical. And who can tell me to simplify the steps for logarithmic pi to the base 2? How I will convert? Do you have feature in your calculator to directly calculate logarithm base 2? Yes, student, do you know? Do you have this feature? कि बेस 2 को तुम डायरेक्टली इससे कैलकुलेटर से कैलकुलेट कर लोगे? इज इट पॉसिबल? यस स्टूडेंट्स? यस स्टूडेंट, हु कैन टेल? कैलकुलेटर से मैं कैसे फाइंड करूंगी? आई एम आस्किंग अ वेरी जनरल क्वेश्चन, हाउ टू यूज कैलकुलेटर. No idea? So that again I will discuss because that is very important, and I think many students have attended, they know what is the way to calculate that. That we will discuss. Okay, so write down student in your copy. This was the heading. Okay, entropy of a source should be maximum. Should be maximum. क्योंकि क्या है एंट्रोपी? एवरेज इंफॉर्मेशन कन्वेड. कोई भी ट्रांसमीटर रिसीवर हो, हमने कोई भी कनेक्ट कर रखा हो सोर्स, इंफॉर्मेशन क्या होनी चाहिए? मैक्सिमम इंफॉर्मेशन कम्युनिकेट होनी चाहिए. लाइक आई एम टेकिंग माई क्लास, ओके, आई एम डिलीवरिंग माई 100%, ठीक है, सो दैट all my students should understand the concept, should understand the topic, ठीक है, but might be possible due to some noise, loss of information, whatever I'm communicating is not 100%, ठीक है. So that should not happen. Whatever we are teaching, whatever I'm telling you, it should be 100%, ठीक है. 100% क्या होगी? Average information conveyed. If that is 100%, that means कि entropy is again 100%. ठीक है, so entropy of a source should be maximum. H of m is a function of, I'm writing over here, is a function of P1, P2 till Pn. ठीक है. The maximum value of h of m, it should be maximum, and its maximum value of h of m is found from, अच्छा कैसे find करेंगे maximum value? Who can tell the maximum value equation? In mathematics we have done this. किसी भी चीज का हमें maximum find करना हो तो हम क्या करेंगे? We will put its differentiation, d by dpi. See students, if you will attend classes very interactively, then it will be very easier for me. Otherwise it will be a one way communication. मुझे पढ़ाना है, मैं सारा टॉपिक कंप्लीट कर दूंगी, ठीक है. I won't be asking you anything now because I think you are not interested to reply. It's okay, no problem. So differentiation, h of m is equal to 0 for I is equal to 1 to n. ठीक है. Then P of n is equal to 1 minus P1 plus P2 plus till Pn minus 1. Is it clear? Pn इक्वेशन टोटल प्रोबेबिलिटी, इसमें से एक प्रोबेबिलिटी जो मुझे फाइंड करनी है वो मैंने निकाल ली है, ठीक है. नाउ आई नो hm इक्वेशन. आई विल टेक हियर just two signal sources with two messages with two probabilities, ठीक है. और यहां मैं इक्वेशन लिख रही हूं अब d upon dpi h of m is equals to ठीक है. दो प्रोबेबिलिटीज हाईएस्ट एंड लोएस्ट आई हैव टेकन I till n, ठीक है. नाउ एंट्रोपी की definition you can write. Entropy is a measure of uncertainty. Is a measure of uncertainty. The probability distribution. Write down in your copy the probability distribution that generates the maximum uncertainty will have maximum entropy. Okay, so this is the definition of entropy, and I can tell you one example here that if there is only a single possible message, that is n is equal to 1. सिर्फ मेरे पास एक ही मैसेज है जो मुझे कम्युनिकेट करना है. जब एक ही मैसेज है तो उसकी प्रोबेबिलिटी इज हाई, इट्स 1. ठीक है, तो एंट्रोपी क्या होगी यहाँ पे, h क्या होगा, इफ ओनली अ सिंगल मैसेज इज देयर विद प्रोबेबिलिटी 1, हाईएस्ट प्रोबेबिलिटी. So what is my information conveyed? Information conveyed will be the lowest one. Okay, so h will be, entropy क्या हो जाएगा यहाँ पे, h is equals to, you can see this equation over here, pi log 2 pi. Clear student this equation? यहाँ समेशन क्या हट जाएगा, सिर्फ एक ही मैसेज और pi क्या है मेरा 1 log 1 by 1 and that is equal to 0. You can see if I am having a single message with highest probability, entropy will be 0. The average information conveyed will be 0. The reception of this message conveys no information. मैसेज मैंने ट्रांसमिट भी कर दिया बट इस मैसेज से मुझे कोई इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं मिलेगी. दिस इज द लॉजिक. Okay, this is one of the case. Again, I will give you one more example so that the concepts will be clear to you. Because this is very much basic things. See, first example I have taken with n is equal to 1. Okay, now I will take the second example that also if only one message is having, I am having n number of messages. ठीक है, और उन सब में से सिर्फ एक मैसेज की प्रोबेबिलिटी है 1. I can take 10 example, 10 messages are there and out of that 10 only one is having highest probability. तो क्या होगा, what will happen, I am having 10 messages but the probability of one of the messages is the highest, that is 1, and we all know that total probability should be 1. So in this case also what will happen, all other 0, then also entropy will be 0. ठीक है, तब भी क्या होगा, मेरी एंट्रोपी 0 होगी. n नंबर ऑफ मैसेजेस है बट एक की प्रोबेबिलिटी इसमें 1 है. All other messages will have 0 probability, then also h will be 0. Clear? This is the second example. Thus, if all the probability are 0 except for 1, then always h is equal to 0. And in all other cases, and in except these two cases, in all other cases, entropy is greater than 0. ठीक है, entropy is always greater than 0. Clear? So now entropy of a source should be maximum. This we know. And how to find this maximum? By differentiating the entropy equation. So students, here while differentiating, you have to consider, I am giving you some points because I have given the notes to students. They are having Charu, Pranjali, Pratibha, I think they will have, Aditi is having this notes, so you can take from them. Okay? So for h of m maximum, ठीक है, डिफरेंशिएशन का इक्वेशन लिख लोगे यहाँ पे. नाउ व्हाट आई विल डू, अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज दैट हाउ टू चेंज log to pi. You can write it, you can highlight this equation, it's very important for further communication. You can convert it into log to the base e or log to the base 10. It's your wish because you are having two options in your calculator, log to the base e or log to the base 10. I am taking e, so here I will write pi और नीचे में क्या लिखूंगी 2. So this is the conversion formula to be used. ठीक है, और यहाँ मेरा log 2 pi summation, wait student, I will use eraser over here. So here B, okay. So you will write that equation over here. Then what you have to consider? You have to consider, write down that using only two symbols, for two symbols only, यहाँ summation sign आ जाएगा, ठीक है? You will get the summation sign. Then students, for two symbols, what will happen? You have to change for two symbols. What will be my h of m? H of m is equals to summation I equals to 1 to 2, ठीक है, minus pi log pi, ठीक है, this is base 2. Now I will convert this equation for two symbols. You can do it in your copy parallelly because this is a little bit complicated derivation. ठीक है, P1 plus P2 log E P2. Clear? Yes, student, is it clear? Any doubt? Yes, students, any doubt? So now next what I will do, I have only two probabilities, that is P1 and P2, and I know P1 plus P2 should be equal to 1. This you all know. Okay, so I can put P2 is equal to 1 minus P1 in the above equation. Okay, I will substitute in the above equation. Sorry, this is 1 student, not P नहीं आएगा, यहाँ 1 आएगा. I think you will rectify my mistake. But unfortunately or not. So this is the equation, right? Now put this P2, write down that equation of P2. ठीक है. Now what I will do, मैंने h of m find कर लिया. Now what I will do over here, I will write for maximum entropy d upon dpi h of m is equal to 0. ठीक है. Now I will equate this equation to 0. तो क्या आ जाएगी मेरी फाइनल इक्वेशन? 0 is equals to minus 1 upon log 2 to the base e. Clear? Log e p 1. See students, you have to now what we are doing, I am differentiating this equation. तो या तो हम ऐसा करते हैं, रुको, I will write down here differentiation, ठीक है, because that is equal to 0. So what I will do here, d upon dpi, और ये क्या आ जाएगा, पूरा इक्वेशन यहाँ ब्रैकेट में आ जाएगा, ठीक है. दिस इज माई h of m. तो होल इक्वेशन, ये मैंने कांस्टेंट बाहर निकाल दिया यहाँ पे, ठीक है. दिस कांस्टेंट इज टेकन आउट एंड डी ये ब्रैकेट में आ जाएगा तुम्हारा इक्वेशन विद p1. So only one unknown term will be there, that is p1 over here, because I am substituting p2 is equals to 1 minus p1. Clear students? और डिफरेंशिएशन के बाद ये मैंने इक्वेशन यहाँ लिख दी है पूरी. नाउ आई विल डू डिफरेंशिएशन. स्टूडेंट स्टार्ट सिंप्लीफाइंग डिफरेंशिएशन. डिफरेंशिएशन का आंसर क्या आएगा स्टूडेंट्स? What will be the answer of differentiation, students? Who can tell me? I will just write down over here. 0 equals to minus 1 upon log 2 to the base e. ठीक है. log 2 to the base e. Clear? And in bracket, after differentiation, log e p1 plus minus 1 minus p1, very good, plus 1 minus log e1 minus p1 plus p1 upon 1 minus p1. This you will get. Differentiation of 1 and 2. Two terms are there. So at last, finally, I will get over here log e p1 is equals to log e1 minus p1. This is my final equation which I will get after simplifying. This is the condition of maximum entropy. You can mark. This is the condition of maximum entropy, and hence I can write this equation as p1 upon 1 minus p1 is equal to 1. Therefore, p1 is equal to half and p2 we all know 1 minus p1. So that is again equal to half. So what I can say that H, that is the entropy, has its maxima at p is equal to half. Clear, student? At p is equal to half. This we have considered for two number of symbols. So I can write H max at p is equal to half. ठीक है, is equal to half log 2 plus half log 2. This, how I am finding this? This is a formula of entropy. That is pi log 1 upon pi summation. और I यहाँ पे क्या है? 2 है. तो p1 and p2. p1 is having half probability, p2 is having half probability. Okay. So total H max I got. Clear, students? Should I move ahead? So here I will get P1 half, P2 half. So the maximum entropy will be equals to 1 bit per message. Now I can plot a graph, ठीक है, which will show me two parameters which are of very much importance, that is entropy and probability. how my probability makes difference in the entropy. So if I consider probability is 0, ठीक है ना, this is 0 value, this is 1 value, ठीक है, highest probability, and this is half, ठीक है. So what is happening here? At P is equal to half, entropy is maximum, ठीक है, and maximum entropy is 1. This is my 1, ठीक है. So I can draw a curve which is showing me the highest probability at P is equal to half, ठीक है students. And at 1 the entropy is 0. At probability 0 the entropy is again 0. So in RTU paper they can ask you this question also, ठीक है. Now this was just for 2 number of messages. Now what I will do, I will make it generalized. So write down in your copy, when there are M, capital M, okay, when there are capital M messages, it can be proved that capital H becomes maximum when, okay students, when it will be maximum, yes student, who can tell? For 2 number of messages entropy कब maximum थी? जब probability दोनों messages की half half थी. So what condition will be applied over here? H is maximum becomes when all messages are equally likely, therefore each message has probability P is equal to 1 by M. ठीक है student, this is very important condition to achieve highest entropy or maximum entropy. P1 is equal to P2 is equal to, very good. So H of maximum will be equal to summation 1 upon M log 2M. ठीक है, समेशन हटा के m करते जाओगे इसको प्लस, सो एट लास्ट यू विल गेट 1 अपॉन m log 2m, बिकॉज दिस लिमिट्स वेरिंग फ्रॉम 1 to m. ठीक है, तो 1 to m टाइम्स आ जाएगा यहाँ पे log 2m. दिस m will get cancel out, and at last you will get this answer for maximum entropy. So this is the most important part of your very good entropy. Now write down, chalo we will finish it over here. Next topics we will discuss in next class. See students, different source coding theorems you will study later on. Before that, we will study different discrete memory list channels, probabilities, that we will discuss. After that, we will start with source encoding. So at least continuous 3 classes are very important, because there we will see the basic channel theorems, and which is very interesting also. And next heading will be your properties of entropy, which we will study. Properties of entropy. So is it clear students? Any doubt? Any doubt? Okay, so we will wind up the class. Who will send me the attendance? प्रतिभा अटेंडेंस भेजना ना बेटा, आज के स्टूडेंट्स की लिस्ट मुझे सेंड मी द अटेंडेंस. Ansi, you can prepare the PDF also, na? So send me the PDF. Okay, so goodbye students, take care and please attend your classes regularly.